but we have new walls in here. Okay.
Alright.
You have a very nice day, ma'am. These were originally SchindlerHaughton's from 19... Oh, actually, no, these were Westinghouse. I can tell by the interlock. Huh.
Oh,
Interesting.
I'm gonna have to, yeah, I want to take a look at that.
Modded in 2015 or 16 by
I'm just gonna check.
ThyssenKrupp.
None of these buttons. Yeah. Alright. Someone called it down. But, yeah, there's the airlock.
The rotary beep is incredibly quiet on these now.
Huh. Wait, did they make it quieter?
I don't know.
I can't tell the difference. Sounds quieter to me. So now these just have like vandal resistant
like I said,
buttons.
the ceiling's the same, but new cab walls and carpet though.
Yeah.
Pretty nice elevator. And there are your mad fixtures. Not
Yep.
exactly sure the name of this one though.
Yeah, they're basically vandal resistant buttons seen on ThyssenKrupp elevators. There's something else that I didn't show in my video. If there's, oh, we got this elevator again. Basically, notice how the doors are not the same height.
Oh yeah.
That is, that's interesting actually. Like the outer doors go all the way up there, but the inner doors do not.
I've had it several places before.
Yeah. Alright, that'll be it.